Hey, it's Clay Trade, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green line annotation down here is coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some new updates here need to be made. I am still going to leave 360 because it is a very important level of support. Why is it so important? Well, I'm not going to beat that dead horse. If you're curious, then you can just go back and watch the video from Friday. But like I said, given where the price is now at, there's no point really talking about that one because, yeah, it still matters, but it's just not quite as relevant as what it once was. So, well, the newest areas of support that I want to add in what I would call as the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $3.78. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $3.78, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above it, that would certainly make the chart look the strongest going forward. Taking a step back, though, looking at the big picture of things and really kind of just simplifying things a tad and applying the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid. It's all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So if you're somebody that's sitting there saying, Clay, look, I just care about the big picture of things. How do I gauge the health of it? This right here being, defined as, the health of the move. Then just keep an eye on that purple line. As that line moves itself higher and higher, as long as the price stays above the purple line, then the bulls are in full health. The move is at full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, preferably speaking, stay up above 380. But if the price can stay up above that purple line, then from the big picture of things, the overall trend is fully in the bulls' favor. What about areas of resistance? As far as resistance, that's going to be right here at the 397 range. Going back here through the history of the chart, you can see on a couple different instances, the price did go up there and the bulls couldn't fight through, got within the vicinity right there, and then today slightly up above that area. So that's why I'm using the word vicinity, because it is just right around that range. So 397, definitely key public enemy number one going forward, but all in all, just keep building higher bases and let the overall chart take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.